Got a 1959 Cadillac AM Wonder Bar. And we've done a whole lot of polish and cleaning on here because she was kind of pretty funky when we got it. And
it's the latest from Camo on WMO.
a lot of polish and cleaning on all the chrome because this radio has a ton of chrome. And we've done a full Aurora Design conversion.
She's got a lot of great music, but you know, I've got an incredible hour.
Right now I got a kind of a light in it so you can see it. We don't ever get the lights, they're kind of pull out. But it's got AM and FM stereo, 4 channels out, 45 watts a channel. It's got pre-outs on the back if you want to add a sub or amp to your rear speakers. So you can make this thing really kick butt. Auxiliary in, which is automatic. This is your harness here. Auxiliary in right here, you get a male-to-male cord comes with it. Below that, it has USB. This is your USB port, plays thumb drives, and will charge your phone, your devices. It also has Bluetooth, hand-free phone calls, voice command, voice ID, which is neat in the AM radio. I'm going to demonstrate that for you. And of course, the Wonder Bar works just like it always did. And it's foot switch control. So this goes down on the floor, and you can operate it all from your foot switch. Let's go. There we go.
Our digital services director is in another stem.
Want to go to AM radio, just turn it off and right back on. A little light turns to red. AM radio. Off and right back, takes you right back to FM. That's a status LED. We didn't put a stereo light in there because my little bitty drill bits, I've run out of them, and the guy wanted a real small hole, so we left that out. You don't have to have it in there. That's AM and FM. Of course, everything scans, but this is pretty cool on a Wonder Bar. You can touch this or that and make it scan, or you can put it in scanning mode and let it find a station for you. So we can do it like this right here. Hit it twice with your foot.
Scanning for stations.
Now it's going to start scanning with the needle moving. See a little light pulsating? That's what it means. It's in scanning mode. So you like that station there, just press it once, it'll lock right on it for you. Want to identify it? This push button you can hide in the cigarette lighter underneath the lip of the dash where you're going to. If you want to know what station you're on FM.
FM 94.7.
That's voice ID.
FM 89.5.
It'll do all this on AM and FM for you. Scan station for you. It's pretty neat. All your push buttons work like they always did. Pull them out, preset them. Got a built-in fader. Front speaker, rear. Full-time fader on it. Treble and bass like you've always had. And you also have balance built in there. I'm going to show you how to get to that. Balance is what they call viral. So just back this up just a little bit. Take your button, push it twice and hold it. 1, 2, hold.
Balance adjust.
Ask you if you
right
really
side,
send an email without an
left
attachment.
side.
But hey, when is it going to ask if we really intend
Let's
to
balance it out. We'll let her set it. All you got to do is keep moving this. It'll stay in that mode.
How many company-wide emails go out and somebody just responds with,
stop moving it.
okay,
Listen. Balance set.
She'll set it. Back on treble and bass. Antenna up. Got your switch in there. All you got to do is plug it back in. It'll work. Because it has its own power for your antenna. So that means the radio's got its own power because we don't like to hook them together. Some of them big old original antennas draw a lot of current. So you plug it back in, that should be your power. And then you have a Aurora Design harness to wire up for all your speakers and your power for the radio.
Seeking you will find. Joy still comes in.
Right now towards landfall and out.
Back roads by the rivers of my memory and keeps you ever gentle.
That's how all that works. Now, auxiliary in, we're going to do that. Just pull out your little old male-to-male cord and just plug any device you want to in it. Satellite radio, XM radio, CD changer, your phone. And all you do is bring your device up and hit play. Somebody might have something you want to listen to. Anytime you're on an auxiliary in device, no matter what it is, and you get ready to go back to radio, just turn that device off. You don't even have to unplug it. And if you don't touch your radio in 20 seconds, it'll automatically switch back to where we had it. If you want to go a little quicker during that 20 seconds, just turn it off and back on like you're cycling from AM to FM. It remembers. We're going to let it automatically change back. We had to do a lot of work on the Wonder Bar because she was corroded pretty good on the inside. We got it all back up and running and everything operates like it always does. Less stations, more stations, sensitivity switch is hooked up.
I still might run in silence. Tears of joy might stain my face, and the summer sun might burn me till I'm blind.
She kicks butt. I like that. Alright, we're going to do the Bluetooth. You're going to do the initial pair up on your phone just like I'm going to do mine. It'll take multiple devices. It'll always pick number one. And this is what's neat about this. You can do everything this push button do. It will do everything this will do. So you press that twice. It's going to scan. It'll scan for you. Both of them work together. Remember that. So now we're going to log up the phone. Let's go into it. Let's let her help us out. There's two ways of doing it. Turn the volume up twice or push this button. Let's do it with the volume.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Showed up on her phone. All we got to do is tap on it. She'll tell you when it's done.
Pairing completed. Bluetooth connected.
Alright. Now we're connected up. I could go to music and hit play and automatically change over and play my music. But we have a built-in mic and an extra mic in case you want to do voice command. That way you can talk and everything. Look up numbers, tell you, call your wife, your girlfriend, just don't get them confused. And look up restaurants, whatever your smartphone's capable of doing. We're going to do a voice command. You can do the same thing by turning this up twice or holding this button down. Let's do a voice command. Play music. Now it's using that little mic right here. Change your music here. Advance it here. Back up twice. Advance it here. Back up here. Repeat. Forward. Tuning knob. Works your phone for you. Back it up. So you got multiple ways of working your music that's made so you don't have this in your hand while you're driving. So you can basically bring your music, put your phone away. You can operate it all here. Phone call comes in, she'll say incoming call. Press this once, that once, or this once. Do your talking. When you're done, you can let it hang up. It'll go back doing whatever you're doing. If you want to end the call early, twice here, twice there, twice there. End the call. Now we're going to do a little test. We're going to turn it off just like we was pulling in somewhere. We were screaming our music on our phone. When we turn it back on, we want her to go back to radio, find the phone, and then go back to that song. Pretty simple. That's what we want to do. It's a test. Make sure it does it. So let's turn it on.
Bluetooth connected.
Back to that song. Alright, we're going to do a voice command. We could hold it down. Let's do it here. Turn it up twice. Stop music. Put it in pause, right back to radio. That's what we want.
Might become a man.
That's how all that works. Thumb drive. You'll get one of these with this video on it, some music. Just plug it in, go straight to it. Now you can hide these things. See, a little different color. Same thing here. Advance. Back up twice. Repeat. Same here. Same here. Now say you got this head, the only time you got to take this out if you want to charge your phone, your devices, or change the thumb drive. There's several ways to go to pause. You can hold this down 1 second, hold that in 1 second, hold that in 1 second. Turn that down twice. All this in your instructions, so make sure you read your manual, because these things will do more than I'm just showing you. Alright, let's do it this way here. We're going to do it here and here. Put it in pause. Cycle right back around the radio. It's going to blink a couple times.
89.5 WMOT.
Alright. Going down the road, we're going to go back to it. Twice down. 1 second there. Back to radio.
That's it. We are back with Final Day Friday.
Now see, we're going to scan if we touch that. Let's go back to thumb drive. Back to thumb drive. Now we twice. Now if you want to go to pause using this, just hold it in 1 second, put it pause, right back to radio. Same thing with foot switch.
Provider's 1 gig service with uploads of 35 megabits per second.
Go back to thumb drive.
Details and see if you
back there, let's go back to pause, holding the switch picture 1 second. Back to pause. You can go back here to thumb drive. You can go to pause here and change your songs and everything.
Flawlessly balanced dynamic power.
That's your 1959 Cadillac AM Wonder Bar with Aurora Design full conversion. I appreciate you letting me do it for you. Thank you.